This is the first video in a series getting you ready for your project. This is actually on your project instructions, so if you'd like to print out a copy of it, you can do that. But let me just briefly cover what your project is going to be all about. First of all, it's going to be in the area of your major. So if you're in computers, it's going to be in the area of computers. If you're in education, it's going to be in the area of education. If you're a firefighter, it's going to be in the area of firefighting. Depends on what your major is. So you're going to select something that's very familiar to you. And of course, it's got to have the 6 defining characteristics of a project. So it's got to be unique. It's got to be temporary. It's something that you actually do with progressive iteration. It requires resources. It requires a primary customer or sponsor or champion. And it's got to involve uncertainty. The project itself has to be executed in 160 person hours or more. And it has to involve at least 4 people. In other words, 4 skill sets, each by an individual. So you can have a carpenter, an electrician, a heavy equipment operator. You can have a Cisco router specialist, whatever you want to do. The idea is that it's got to resemble a real-life project. You can read the rest of the instructions here, and they'll actually outline exactly how the project is to be done and how it will be constructed.